Hi everyone, I am so excited. I just finished decorating my dining room for the fall season. I am participating today in a challenge. It is hosted by Heidi Sonboul and Lindsey from Dahmer Home. Check out in the description below the links to both of their channels. They both have super creative things going on. I am going to first start with my shelving unit right behind me. Here, I have added these glorious pine cones from South Carolina. Look, these just beautiful. And also some eucalyptus, a little bit of these white beaded pieces. This was just one piece of garland that I cut in 5 different pieces, and a little bit of the silver miller. And I'm keeping it like this because I think it's going to be really, really easy to transition in a couple of months into Christmas and winter. Oh, and I also have some baskets, Goodwill, $2 or $3 each. I cut off the handles that they come with. I think they make some really nice, interesting wall art. Now for my tablescape, I am keeping it really simple with just natural colors. Last year I did a tablescape and it was all orange and yellows, and I do have a video of that too, but I'm not going to link it before. It was when I just started doing these things. I don't know if it's really that good. I mean, it was a good design, but anyway, this box is a trash to treasure, and I got that chippy look and did the black chalkboard paint to start with, and then this area I just left open so I can personalize it. Again, I'm going to really, really easily transition. I could see this 'tis this season with some hollies and berries in it, and then I got some new little candle holders here. This was, these were $2 at the Goodwill, and first I painted them white. I don't think they were really that great, or that they just didn't stand out. And then I just thought, let me do the chalkboard because that will go with the kind of black and white feel. And these are just filled with hydrangea and some pine cones, keeping it really natural. Oh, and my table runner, handmade table runner. This is actually just drop cloth from Lowe's. I just cut it really big, wide piece here. I didn't even measure. I don't have time to measure. I cut it on the natural fold in the fabric and then just kind of frayed the edges, left it just really raw, and it's really soft and natural. Nice farmhouse look. So here is my drop cloth. I just left it very casual. I'm going for a real farmhouse country look, and I think that this little bow on the end, I cut 2 strips, tied it in a little knot, and then with another separate piece made the bow and tied that on top. And I think it's just really soft, casual, and it's not even, but I think it looks great. And these are my candlesticks that I just... out. I got the first 3 here from a garage sale for $20, and then I also got the 4th one from Goodwill for about $4. So I love the way they look as a nice combo here on the end. $2, the red, white, and blue thrift store. What a find. I mean, I have been finding so many great things at the Goodwill lately and the thrift stores. And then also, I'll show you this wreath. This wreath, I found that just as is, and I just added the burlap ribbon. I thought it's just perfect. Just a great find for $4. And then on the other end of my draw cloth, handmade table runner there on the end of my buffet, I have this huge arrangement, and I did this piece last year, so I will link this in the description below, this huge fall arrangement. And I love these dried limelight hydrangea. I mean, those are just glorious pieces. So that balances off my buffet. Thank you so much for tagging along here as I show you my dining room. Check out in the description below the playlist for all the other people participating in this challenge. I can't wait to see what they all come up with. Thank you to our hosts. And if you like what you see, if you want to see some more of my ideas, please think about subscribing. That would be fabulous. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for visiting Jenny's Home.